Hey all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited. This has been such a long time coming. A lot of you guys have kind of followed me on my hair journey, if you will, to find the perfect hair dye. So I do get my hair done professionally at a salon, but in between those visits, I like to use like semi-permanent, demi-permanent hair colors to brighten things up because I like my hair to be red and orange. I used to do red, orange to yellow, but that was when my hair was longer. So now I'm just doing the two colors. I was so pumped because I received this package from Fanola. Now I have to admit, I was fairly new to the Fanola brand. I had heard of them, but I hadn't really tried many of their products before. And they sent me, okay, I have to show you this kit that they sent me because I cried like a little bit. So you open it up and there's these great products, but oh my God, look, they put a little picture of me in there. Why is something as simple as like a little Polaroid of me, like, yes, that was enough to make me cry. I am not the type of person who gets these personalized influencer packages. So it really meant a lot to me, but I want to go over real quick the products they sent me and the things that I've used so far, the things I haven't used so far, and my impressions of them as of right now. This video is not sponsored by them at all. They did send this to me, but as always, I'm going to give you my 100% honest opinions, no bullshit here. So let's start with the Fiber Fix collection. So this is still wrapped in plastic, so you can see I haven't even used this yet, but I have used this several times, probably like 4 or 5 times at this point, and I used it today. This is their Fiber Fix Fiber Shampoo. This shampoo is supposed to be great for immediately after you dye your hair with permanent color or after you bleach it, but it's also great for in-between colorings because it helps to protect your hair, helps to repair any damage, or just make it so that your hair is not susceptible to more damage. What's interesting about this, and it took me a minute to get used to, is that this is not a shampoo like usually I put on shampoo, I lather it up, and then I rinse it out. No, with this, you lather it up, you let it sit for 2 minutes to really get in there and do what it needs to do, and then you rinse it out. This is also meant to be following this, which is the Bond Connector, which is similar in style from what I understand to Olaplex, and I haven't used it yet, but again, this is supposed to be a really good treatment for your hair and really help to get into the cuticle of your hair to repair it. Again, I cannot speak to the quality of this one yet, but I can say that I really have been enjoying this. I do not use this every day for my shampoo, or I don't shampoo my hair every day regardless, but I've been using this maybe like once a week or so, and I tend to shampoo my hair 2 to 3 times a week, which I hate. I wish I could get back to shampooing only once a week, but if I go out and I'm walking or if I exercise, dry shampoo doesn't do shit if your hair is soaking wet with sweat, okay? So I did use this today because I do like to shampoo my hair before dyeing it with semi-permanent color. That's what they recommend as well, but let's get right into the color that they sent me. I am so excited to try this because I love trying new hair dyes. So this is their free paint collection. And what's interesting about this, it's a semi-permanent color, okay? It lasts up to 15 washes, which for me is probably about a month, maybe a little bit more depending on how often I wash my hair. I do tend to wash my hair less when it gets cooler out. What's curious to me is the instructions. So again, I haven't tried these yet. I'm going to try them with you all today for the first time, but the instructions say shampoo your hair, okay, normal. They don't mention whether or not to dry it, but I like to dry my hair because I feel like it helps the color saturate inside my hair cuticle a little bit more. But then they say leave on for 5 minutes. Whenever I dye my hair, I leave my hair dye on for a minimum of an hour and a half. Usually I try to go for 2 to 3 hours because I really like it to sink in. I have never heard of 5-minute hair color, and I'll be honest, I am not going to leave this on for 5 minutes. I'm going to leave this on for at least an hour because I want these colors to be bright as hell. Now they did send me 2 colors. We have Orange Shock and Spicy Red. I am so curious about these. They do have 10 colors, and most of them are like rainbow colors. So you've got yellow, green, blue, red, orange, but then they also have a really pretty gray color, a white, and a brown. So if that's kind of your vibe, check these out. The price is very reasonable. I am so curious to try these out. Also, I do enjoy the packaging because I feel like you can really get every little bit out if you're like squeezing this tube, like a tube of toothpaste, for example. And I don't know, I like this packaging. I like so far what I'm seeing. I really, really hope these work because I would love to find a replacement. I'm currently using Arctic Fox and I really do enjoy it, but I would like to find a replacement for that. So Let's get into my hair dye shirt. Do you all have a very specific shirt that you wear to dye your hair or clean your house or paint your house or anything like that? I do. It's this shirt. Glamorous, no? All right, I'm going to take you into my bathroom and let's dye this hair.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes every time.
Okay, so that took a little less than 10 minutes to dye my full head of hair. And I want to give you my first impressions. So again, I used the color Spicy Red. I always use that right about to like the top of my ears. And then I pulled down the orange shock for the rest of it. At first, I was a little surprised by the consistency of it. So it's a little thinner than any hair dyes that I had been using before, which are really, really thick, almost like a deep conditioner, the kind that you might leave on your hair for 20 minutes or something like that. So they're really thick and really heavy. This is a little more runny, a little more watery, but once I started working it through, it goes a long way. So I will say that, because a lot of those cream ones, they will really hang on to one spot and you have to keep adding and adding. This went a really long way. So I was able to pull it through and really like work it in to the hair cuticle or work it into where I wanted it to be. Also, it did wipe away easily from my hairline. Yes, I still have some areas that I probably need to clean up, but I had it like all over my arms and it's gone. I did wear gloves and I would suggest wearing gloves. This is about how much I used for my whole head. I would say I used like maybe half the tube, like maybe, yeah, I guess I'd say about half of each tube. But if this really does last 15 washes, oh, I didn't clean that off enough. Just gonna wipe it on my towel over here. As I was saying, if this really does last 15 washes, then that's not bad for me. That like this would last me a month or 2 months. That's pretty damn good. Also, it smells really good, but I can't place my finger on what the damn scent is. So if you know what it is, please comment down below and let me know. All I know is that it smells delicious. So the time right now is 9:30 a.m. I am going to leave this on for a while, at least 1 hour, likely about 2 hours, because I really like my hair to be bright, vibrant. I want it to punch you in the face as it goes by and it's asking you for money. I have no idea where that came from. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for a while and then I'm going to rinse it out and I'm gonna dry it and I'll be back to show you the final results. This again will be my first impression, so I'm not gonna be able to speak to how long it lasts, but I will come back in a future video and let you know how long that color lasts. So make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and insert that lovely SpongeBob footage.
2 hours later.
You guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh, she's bright. Oh my God. I'm freaking pumped. I love the way this turned out. This turned out exactly how I like. So it is a vibrant and like deep red into like this orange color. Like this is my dream hair color right now. This is my absolute freaking dream hair color right now. And I am beyond impressed. Plus my hair feels really, really good. So I did leave it in for about 2 hours, full disclosure, and I rinsed it out and I grabbed my bottle of conditioner, just my regular conditioner, figuring I'd have to do that afterwards. And I was like, you know what? My hair feels pretty awesome. I don't think I need it. And I didn't. My hair feels soft and like I definitely put in a bunch of texture stuff because I always do that to kind of make my shag nice and big. But I am so damn impressed. I really, really am. And to be honest, this is something like I was almost nervous about it, right? Because the consistency didn't look as thick and, you know, just different things. I'd never used this brand before. This is it. I'm sold. I'm freaking sold on this. Oh, this color. Look at it. And it's so vibrant and it's super shiny too. Like, what the hell? I can't stop staring at it. Let's see the back. I just think the color is so good. It came out so nice and even. It's shiny. It feels good. Like, I'm curious to see how long it lasts, but I am so pumped right now. So, wow, thank you so, so much to Fanola for sending me these products. Again, I was using the free paint in Spicy Red and Orange Shock. Everything is going to be in the description box down below if you want to purchase this for yourself. If you are somebody who likes bright hair color, I would absolutely suggest this. Now, that being said, if you have brown hair and you put the blue hair color over top of it, it's not going to be instantly blue. You do need to have lightened hair, and my hair already definitely had red tones in it. This just brings it out, makes it pop. It's amazing. It's freaking amazing. So that's it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried Fanola, what your favorite products are from them, because now I want to order one of every damn thing on the site. I'm really, really impressed. I'm so thankful to them for sending this to me. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or share it with your friends. That really does help out my channel. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars. I love you so much with my whole heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. My energy is like amped the freak up.